I lost my own country. You see, this is not just my life story, but it's many things you see involved. This kind of story can be helpful in dream. Almost, I think, never I feel I'm Dalai Lama. Only Buddhist monk. Sorry. Our approach, not based on faith or superstition, maybe occasionally a little superstition.
Time always moving. No force can stop that. I myself, you see, getting older and older. A lot of difficulties, a lot of challenge, but I have no regret. No regret. Life should be meaningful life, purposeful life. That's important.